Hello kids, it's story time. We are going to reading a story named Mama Molly and a Greedy Lion. Are you ready? Here we go. In this story, we are going to meet a hen named Molly. She is very brave and clever. Let's find out how. It's a beautiful sunny day on the farm today. All the animals enjoy the warmth and play under the sun. Molly, the mama hen, play with her four chicks named Pink, Violet, Red and Blue. The chicks say, "Let's play hide and seek." Hide and run. Molly says, "I will count up to 10 and then I'll find you. Whoever is located in the end will win, but don't go too far." Then the chicks run away to hide. Blue wanted to hide till the end and win the game, so he ran away to the other side of farm, so he could not found easily. Molly found all three chicks one by one, but when Molly tried to find Blue, despite her best effort, she can't find him. Molly became worried. "It's time to come out. You have won," she shouted, but no one responded. Then Molly tells her chicks to stay on the farm and she looks for Blue. Molly meets the cat first on the way and asks, "Have you seen my chick Blue?" The cat responds, "No, I haven't seen him, but maybe my kitten has. Please feel free to ask him," Molly says. Molly says, "Sure, that would be great." Then the cat starts. Hearing the meow of the cat, the kitten came running. "Do you know where the Blue is?" Molly asked the kitten. "Earlier today, I saw him heading toward the cow shed," the kitten says. Molly thanks the cat for her help and walks toward the shed. Seeing Molly coming, the cow asks, "What happened? Why are you looking so worried?" Molly says, "I can't find Blue anywhere. Have you seen him?" The cow says, "No, I haven't seen him, but I can ask my calf." Molly says, "Yes, I can do that. That would be great." And then the cow began mooing. After hearing the cow moo, the calf comes running. Molly asks, "Have you seen Blue?" The calf says, "I saw him going toward the sheep's pen." Molly thanks the cow and walks toward the sheep's pen. Molly asks the sheep, "Has Blue been here before?" The sheep replies, "I haven't seen him, but what happened?" Molly then tells her everything that has happened. Afterward, the sheep say, "Well, ask my lamb. Maybe he has seen him somewhere." Then the sheep call out to her lamb. The lamb came after hearing the sheep baa. Molly asked, "Have you seen my Blue?" Lamb say, "I saw him going toward the stable." Molly thanked the sheep for her help and walked toward the horse stable. Molly rushes toward the horse and asks, "Have you seen my Blue?" The horse say, "Nah, I haven't seen him, but I can ask my foal if he has seen him." Molly say, "That would be great." The horse call out to his foal. When the fowl hears the neighing, he comes out of the stable. Molly asks, "Have you seen Blue?" "I saw him running toward the goat's barn a while back," the fowl say. Molly thanks the horse and walks toward the goat's barn. Molly rushes to the goat's barn, but he is nowhere to be found. She asks the goat, "Have you seen my chick?" The goat says, "No, I haven't, but I can ask my kid who is eating grass nearby." The kid runs as soon as he hears the goat maa. Molly asked, "Have you seen my chick?" "I saw him running toward the pigsty," he answered. Thanking God, Molly quickly heading toward the pigsty. Molly came running toward the pigsty, where the pig was lying in the mud. "What happened? Why are you in such a hurry?" the pig asked. Molly said, "I'm looking for my chick Blue. Have you seen him?" Pig said, "No, I haven't seen him." Then the Molly said, "Can you also ask your piglet about him? That would be great help for me." Then the pig started oinking. The piglet said he had spotted the chick running toward the duck pond. Thanks to the pig, Molly runs toward the duck pond. Mama duck was playing with her ducklings in the pond. After seeing Molly, the duck wondered why Molly is the pond today. "Did you see a chick around here?" Molly asked. "No, we didn't see him. But you could ask the llama. He might be near the fence," the duck replied. Molly goes to the fence at the end of the farm, where she finds the llama. Molly asks, "Hey llama, have you seen my chick anywhere?" "No, I haven't seen him anywhere today. Let me ask my kid if he has seen him." Then the llama started humming. The llama Kuria come after hearing the humming. Molly asked, "Have you seen my chick?" The Kuria say, "Yes, I have seen him going toward the farmer house. You will find him there." Then the llama say, "He can't go far from the farmer home because the dog watches every animal that goes that way. You can ask the dog. Surely he knows something about your chick." Molly goes to the farmer home, finds the dog in the yard. "Do you know anything about my chick? Because you watch over the farm animal. Have you seen him?" Molly asked. "I was so busy watching these silly sheep that I couldn't see your chick. However, I can ask my puppy," the dog said. Then he woofed. When the puppy hears the dog's woof, he comes out of his kennel. "Is there a chick around?" Molly asked. "I saw a chick running toward the forest road," said the puppy. As soon as Molly heard this, she began walking toward the forest. Dog warned her and said, "I don't think it's a good idea. You should stay away from the forest because dangerous animals live there." Even though the dog warned Molly, she still walked into the forest. Molly calls the Blue everywhere in the dark and dense forest. "Where are you, Blue? I've been looking for you since morning. It's time to go home," Molly says. There was a deer and her fawn passing by. Upon hearing her call, the mama deer came near the Molly and asked, "What happened? What are you doing here in the forest?" Molly says, "I'm looking for my chick in the forest. Have you seen him anywhere?" The deer said, "No, we haven't seen him, but a monkey lives nearby. It is possible that the monkey spotted him." Molly thanked the deer before heading to the nearby tree. On the tree, the monkey was sitting with his infant. Seeing Molly, the monkey wondered what the hen who lives in the farm is doing in the forest. Molly says that she is looking for her chick. Although the monkey does not see him, he advised her not to go further because a lion cave is ahead. A hare overheard the conversation between Molly and the monkey. "If your chick has gone this way, there is no point in searching for him. He has already become the lion's lunch," the hare says. Molly disagrees, thanks the monkey and hare, and walks forward in the direction of lion's cave. After seeing the hen approaching him, the lion becomes delighted and thinks that today lunch will be delicious. The lion asks the hen, "How did you end up here? Are you not scared at all?" Molly says, "My chick is missing. I'm looking for him. Have you seen him?" "Is this chick you are talking about?" the lion asks. Afterward, the lion cub appears to have Blue in his paw. The Molly sees Blue and jumped with the joy and asked, "What are you doing here?" Blue said, "I tried to hide and came far from the farm into the forest where the lion cubs caught me." "It's going to be delicious chicken for lunch today," says the lion. Molly trembles with the fear and thinks about a trick to escape the lion. After that, Molly began crying out loud. The lion asks, "Why are you crying so loudly?" Molly says, "It's an honor for me to be a meal for the Jungle King. These here are for my 3 chicks and 6 eggs on the farm. Who will take care of them after I am gone? I wish they were all here with me." Let's make the lion more greedy when he thinks of eggs and more chicks. Then the lion cub cries and says, "I never eaten eggs. I want to eat them." Molly says, "I have 6 eggs and each chick can carry only one and I will carry 2. If you let me and Blue to go to the farm, I will beg with everyone by the evening. Afterward, you can eat as much you want." The lion thinks about eating more eggs and chicks. The greedy lion then allows Molly and Blue to leave and say, "Come back quickly with everyone because I am so hungry." Molly and Blue walk toward the farm. The two walk for a few minutes and then they run so fast they barely glance back once they reach the farm. On the farm, Blue feels sorry to Molly for not listening to her and swear not to do anything that will let him trouble again. All the animals on the farm ask, "Where did you find Blue?" Molly tells the animals how she and Blue escaped the paws of the lion. The animals are all impressed with Molly's intelligence and bravery. While still dreaming of eating chicken, the greedy lion realized that a chicken had tricked him and she will not return to the forest again. And this is the end of the story. We had lots of fun while reading this story. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next time. Till then, goodbye.